Hello friends, in this video we will learn that how to remove watermark on the Microsoft Word document page. So it is very simple. You can see that here is the do not copy is showing on the page. So just you need to click on the design tab in the upper side on the ribbon of the your program window, and then click on the watermark on the right side, and then after that you can just simply click on the remove watermark. So just click on, or you can see that the watermark has been removed. Another way is that just click on the designs and then also click on the watermark, then customs watermark, and then no watermark. Simply apply and close the window. So I hope you have learned the video how to remove watermark in Microsoft Word. So thanks for watching.